In this video, I'll show you how to register a KuCoin account step by step. First, open the KuCoin website or download the KuCoin app from the App Store or Google Play, then tap Sign Up or Register. You can usually sign up with either your email address or mobile number. Enter your email or phone, create a strong password, and if you have one, paste a referral code. Confirm that you agree to the terms of use, then tap Sign Up. KuCoin will send you a verification code to your email, or SMS. Copy that code and enter it in the app or website to confirm your account. Next, for better security, turn on two-step verification. Go to Account Security in your profile and enable Google Authenticator or another 2FA method so withdrawals and logins are protected. Finally, if you plan to deposit or withdraw larger amounts, go to the KYC Identity Verification section and complete the basic verification by uploading your ID and personal details. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.